we're very intentional with everything we do on our installs. We're aware of where our line sets are going to come in, making sure that they're out of the way for serviceability of our coil. The flood protection that we use, it is only required for us to have one level of flood protection here in our emergency pan, but we elect to make sure that we have flood protection on the coil itself and in the emergency pan. We also include a drain service access valve, so we're able to clear the drains, on our maintenance that we provide through our family plan. These systems, they can produce 10 to 30 gallons of water a day, especially on these higher dehumidification style units. So it's really important that we have serviceable access for our drains to where we're not having to cut into the drain. If you can imagine having a drain backup, this thing is full of water. If we were to cut it open, the water's going to spill out. So to be able to have serviceable access that is a permanent fixture that we can just connect to with nitrogen tanks, that's going to